How to turn on or turn off activity statue on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the activity statue easy and fast. So first thing, go to Discord. Now this is the home page as you can see right here, and go down and click on here on this icon. Now it will take you to this page. Now go down until you find the activity statue right here, and here is it. Now click on it and it will take you to this page. Now you can turn it off or turn it on as you want from here. It's actually very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much. Financial wall.